All right, YouTube, look what Chad found today. Isn't this a beauty? This is a 1965 split window Volkswagen bus. This has been sitting in a cornfield since 1980, what, Chad?
87.
87. 30 years just hanging out. 31 years hanging out. Ain't she a beauty? This is all original. This gets a little dark on this side, so we'll be real quick. Give you a quick overview of what's going on. Everything on this bus is original. Chad spent some time cleaning her out a little bit today. It needs a little work. Look at this, we got a radio. We got the clock, and we got that smell. Woohoo! Can't see how many miles are on her. Vinyl, the ceiling. I think he's gonna attempt to start it up. What do we got here?
We got headlights.
We got
boys
lights.
and girls. Parking lights work. Did anything in the back work?
Let's check it out. Not back here. Well, this is fun. Let's check it out. See how the headlights work? Original. Brights work. So here we go. Here's another look.
When you turn this one on?
Oh, hold on. Chad wants us up there. All right, Chad, talk to us.
When you turn on the parking lights, you got a little light that comes on right here.
Mm-hmm.
Any dome lights?
No dome light. Oh, wait a minute.
See? No, we got dome light.
This baby's starting to come alive after 31 years of sitting in a cornfield.
Those work.
That's really awesome. What fun for a car collector, especially you.
I can hear it clicking on the engine.
You bus, yeah. Let's listen one more time. This baby's gonna fire up.
My battery's probably too dead.
What are those bars they call them in the back?
Those are jail bars.
Jail bars.
Gotta have jail bars. Lock the kids in jail.
So there you go. Little project is a 1965 Volkswagen bus.
No backlights though.
We'll post this up for everybody here, and then we're going to do a follow-up to see what kind of results we got after we know the headlights work and some of the other things. Let me close her up real quick just to give you one last... Oh, the dog's in the car. Hold on, we got one more thing to record. Chad got some light.
Yeah.
We got a radio light. Dash, is there any volume?
Just cranked up.
Wouldn't that have been fun to make the speakers come to life after 31 years?
Well, you could hear it like...
Yeah. I think with a little tweaking, time will tell us what's going on. All right, everybody, thanks for checking in. Enjoy.